You're going to learn small ya, you, yo in this lesson, as well as small ya, you, yo in Hiragana. We sometimes use two letters together to pronounce one sound in Katakana too. So that's the case of using small ya, you, or yo. A small letter comes after a letter, and it comes always right next to the first letter when you write. Let's have a look at the example. This is a letter ki plus small ya. The consonant of the first letter is k, but the vowel I will be dropped. Then put ya after that. The sound is gonna be kya. Another example. This is a letter G plus small u. The consonant of the first letter is J, but the vowel I will be dropped. Then put U after that. It will be Ju. Let's see all the letters with small ya, you, or yo. So let's start. This one. Kya. Next. Kyu. Next. Kyo. Next. Ya. Next. Yu. Next. Yo. Next. Sha. Next. Shu. Next. Sho. Next. Ja. Next. Ju. Next. Jo. Next. Cha. Next. Chu. Next. Cho. Next. Ja. Next. Ju. Next. Jo. Next. Nya. Next. Nyu. Next. Nyo. Next. Hya. Next. Hyu. Next. Hyo. Next. Bya. Next. Byu. Next. Byo. Next. Pya. Next. Pyu. Next. Pyo. Next. Mya. Next. mu, next, myo, next, rya, next, ryu, next, ryo. That's all. Well done. You've learned the small letters ya, you, yo. You will learn about small letter tsu and the meaning of a symbol in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.